Hello and welcome back to module number 4, part 2, and we're going to talk about website design, and I'm going to show you how to do that in a more practical way, but I want also that you will have some understanding with regard to the terminology that goes into the web design aspect. So site, what I would like to see from your own project is that it will consist of multiple pages. I want to see integration of design and technology with regard to JavaScript and PHP, and I want to have that you will have a better careful understanding of the navigation and the design and a plan how you're going to execute that. So the principles of design, web design nowadays is often associated with connection to Facebook and how to implement that, but one of the things that designers learn very quickly on the web is that keep the background simple as possible and not too busy, which means that usually one color schema will help to make the website looks cleaner and more concise. You can again try to avoid scrolling as much as possible in order for the user to understand where he's going and what he or she is trying to search. One of the things that is really important, and this is years of research on the web, is that you're not allowed to have more than 3 clicks to the information that you are presenting, which means that more than 3 clicks and you lose the interest of the user, something that you don't want to do, and this is important especially with regard to design aspect. Again, try to have, if you are using tables, use it with a border equals 0, so the space and the ability of to see the space that goes on to it. Use horizontal lines to show context, but it's not a visual organization. Use headlines if you need to. Maintain a good and constant visual structure to the website and make sure that it is pleasant to see. One of the things that I always remind the students is that you need to have information about yourself. You are the owner of the website, so present yourself. Maybe have your picture, or maybe have someone else's picture. I don't care, but as long as you give the information and ability to have something, this is important. This is ability of the information. I try to maintain the website, try to use it in order for you to review it. Don't send people to the website when the links are dead. This is really not good. So now we need to talk about the template that we are using, that site design template. And we have different elements. Each one of them brings different aspects of the design. None of them is required. I don't expect you to have that type of design, but I want you to give you a frame of mind when you are thinking about linear narrative or non-linear or complex or simple. Again, depending how you will structure that, and it's up to you to design it in order for you to be successful. In order to have a design, I picked up a website that is giving you a free casting style sheet in the design itself. I like this design, so you can download the design itself. When you download the file, it gives you the file itself, and it gives you the styling sheet, font, images, JavaScript, and the index HTML. You will need to revise that. You need to edit it so it will match your own personal theme, but this will give you a template for the design of the website. And in this case, again, just a matter of the design aspect and how to apply to it and what does it really means. So again, this is a good example. I will share it with you, and I will share the website and how I did it. But I want you to start building up your main page so you will be able to adopt and start thinking about the design to match the JavaScript and the PHP that you're going to work. So I expect you to start working on it. It's time to update your website and make it a little bit more accessible or more usability with that regard. That's it for now. I hope you enjoy it. I will give you more links and information on that. Until next time, have fun.